Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let me teach you how can you download Capcut on Android if it is not available in your country. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So if that happens to you guys, what we will need is a VPN. So if for example, you can search for Capcut here. Uh, uh, as you can see, I have it installed right here. But if for some reason it is not available on your country, so it will be not be visible right here. So I suggest to use a VPN. So what I'm using here is ExpressVPN right here. But you are free to choose whatever VPN you like. So here, as you can see there, go over to your Play Store again and choose a VPN right here. So there, so I suggest to use this one, the VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. So what you have to do here is just install it. Okay, so wait for that to finish. Okay, so just wait for this process to finish as well. Open that. Accept the terms. Just use the free one. And there, so once you are here, you just have to connect. Press on connect and okay. So just wait for this, and as you can see, I'm now connected to a server on Germany. So go back to your Play Store and search for Capcut again and see if that worked for you. So okay guys, that is how you can download on Android if it is not available to you, the Capcut app. So thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.